Anderson's shop, and he has a little personal street car, his 2011 Mustang. It's a mid 10-second car. He went to the drag strip the other night just for fun, and in high gear it's all over the place, and we figured out what the culprit was. I'm going to show it to you right now. So these 20 to 11 to 14s have a 3-link, as you guys know, and the stock bushing that's in the upper ear on top of the rear end are not made for a lot of horsepower. Plus it's older. They get a lot of abuse over the years. So basically what happens is the stock rubber gets soft, it gets used so much, it's worn out. They actually age if the car ever sits outside, and they just kind of turn rotten like a piece of wood. So what we are going to do to fix this problem is order UPR's upper double adjustable control arms, and then we are getting the spherical end as well for the bearing. So it will be solid contact just like we've got on the front here, and we are in the process of getting this old stock junk bushing out. And then when we get the new spherical in the ear, we will show you the finished project, and we will go back to the drag strip and see if we fix the problem.